Hey guys, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when you have a high RAM or memory or CPU or disk usage in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us open first our run window, and we can do that by simply pressing in our keyboard the Windows R key all together. And then the next thing we need to do is to type services.msc, services.msc. And then once you're done typing, just click on OK or enter. Okay, and once you do that, you will see the services window coming up. Here, all we need to do is just to look for super fetch option if you have that. So select any service that you have there in your window and then press in your keyboard S, and then you will be brought to the S section. Here, if you have super fetch option, please go again and go to that and then click on that. Or if you have sysmain, that is the same with super fetch, go with your sysmain option. So all you need to do is just to stop it or disable it. So you can do that by, as you can see here, this is already disabled. So you can do that by simply making a right click on that and then click on this properties option here. You will see the startup type. If it is disabled, just leave it be. If it's not, then just click this drop down button here and then choose disabled option, and then make sure that the services status is stop. Once you do that, you can now click on apply and then click on OK. Okay, so next thing we need to do, let me just close this one, open again the run window, and we will try another option or another way of opening it. So go again or go with your Windows icon, click on run options, and then you will be opening the run window. Here we need to type sysdm.cpl, it's sysdm.cpl. Now once done typing, please click on OK or enter, and then this system properties window will be coming up. Here, all we need to do is just to go to the advanced tab, and then you will see the very first section, which is performance, and then you will see under it is settings. So please click on that. In the performance option, all we need to do is just to select from these four options here the adjust for best performance, and once you do that, you will be able to click on apply and then click on OK. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, let me just close all these windows here, is to go to our task manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our taskbar and then go to task manager options. And if you can't do that, just simply press in your keyboard Control, Shift, and Escape key. Again, it's Control, Shift, and Escape key, and then you will be able to open this Task Manager window. And here, all you need to do is just to go to the Startup Apps option here. Once you do that, you will be able to see the enabled and disabled applications during startup. So if you want to disable a certain application that you don't want to be associated during startup, you can do that by simply making a right click on the enabled application and then click on disable button here, and then it will be disabled during startup. Okay, but you will be able to use them only that you are disabling them during startup. So the next thing we need to do, let me just close this one, go to your file explorer. You can make a search here in the Windows search tab, or just type or click on the file explorer option or icon that you have there in your device. So the next thing we need to do is to free up space. So all you need to do is just to look for the files here, documents, videos, musics, or pictures that is consuming a lot of resources, and then delete them if you don't need them or if they are unnecessary for you. And if you determine that they are unwanted, please also delete them. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to update Windows. Let me just close this one, go to your Windows icon, make a right click, and then you will see the settings option there. Please click on that. At the very bottom part in the left pane here, you will see the Windows Update. So please click on that as well. And then you will see if the Windows that you have there is up to date, or there are still available updates that you don't have to, or that you are still you can still download or you can still install. Okay, and please do download them and install them so that it will help fix the problem. Okay, so next thing we need to do is to go to our Windows search tab. Here we need to type power plan, and you will see edit power plan and choose a power plan here under settings option. So please click on choose a power plan options, and you will be able to see here the selected plan. If you see an option that says high or ultra, please click on that or select it. So since my device is completely working very well with Acer option here, I just leave this be. And if you see again the high performance, then you can choose it. And if you haven't seen it, you can also choose the balance option here. And then once you do that, you can now close this window. And then next thing we need to do is to remove the cache from our device. So let us open the run window. Go to your keyboard, press Windows R key all together. And then here we need to type clean mgr. Once done typing, just click on OK or enter and it will select the C drive. So please click on OK, and all you need to do here is just to delete the files, everything, the cache, registries, the junk files that you have in your device. Just select the options here that you want to be deleted. Once you have already selected, then you can now click on OK, and it will now start deleting the files that you have just deleted from your device. Okay, next thing you need to do, go again to the run window, and then let me just make a right click here in the Windows icon, and then here we need to type temp. Once done typing, you can now click on enter, and then if you see here so many things, junk files and everything, just click or press Ctrl A to select everything and press Shift Delete key. Again, it's Shift Delete key, and then click on yes, and it will permanently delete all the bad registries, the junk files, and the cache here in this location. So if you see some files that are left undeleted, then just leave them be because they are still being used with the other applications that we're currently using in our device. Okay, next thing we need to do is to go to our run window. So here we need to type, this time we need to type %temp %. Okay, so %temp%. Now once done typing, click on enter, and with the same steps with what we did earlier, press Ctrl A to select everything, and then press Shift Delete key to delete everything, and then just do this or skip this applications that we can't delete, and just check this, do this for all current items, click on skip, and you're done. Okay, next thing we need to do is to restart the PC and then see if the problem is already fixed. Okay, and the last thing is to run the Windows security or run a quick scan with a Windows security. So please click on this up arrow key here, and then you will see a shield icon. Please click on that. That is the Windows security. And if you see that this virus and threat protection is not having this green check mark here, then please click on that and then just run a quick scan. Okay, so that's it. After running the scan, just make a quick restart with your device and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.